ConnectShip Toolkit Cloud is a cloud-based software solution that allows you to embed carrier compliance and multi-carrier shipping functionality into new or existing business applications. As a little bit of history, ConnectShip Toolkit is an application programming interface, or API, which means you can access its functionality by writing program code using industry-standard programming languages and XML technologies. Toolkit provides essential functionality for shipping with parcel and freight carriers, allowing you to quote carrier shipping rates, print carrier compliant labels and documents, and upload electronic manifests. Toolkit's API interface allows you to embed shipping functionality into a variety of systems, such as Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, warehouse and transportation management, and other systems. This enables deeply integrated and automated shipping processes, and it's multi-carrier, so your shipping staff can process shipments without the need to access multiple carrier-provided applications. Thousands of companies around the world have leveraged ConnectShip Toolkit to add shipping visibility, scalability, and carrier compliance to their businesses. Toolkit has long been available to customers and partners as an on-premise software solution, but now it is available as a hosted cloud service. This means there is no need to install or maintain software components on local hardware. Shippers can access Toolkit's multi-carrier shipping functionality across the internet. Toolkit Cloud includes an online software developer's kit with complete references to the interfaces, and code samples for jump-starting your integration and all of the administration tools you need for customization and configurability. Toolkit Cloud offers support for shipping with major parcel and freight carriers around the world, as well as configurable components for adding regional carriers. Toolkit Cloud is hosted in a private cloud infrastructure in the United States. It is physically and logically secure, processes over 122 million transactions annually, maintains 99.995% uptime, and is designed specifically to support the rigors of a multi-tenant shipping application. In addition to all of the process efficiency and value that Toolkit itself enables, Toolkit Cloud provides additional benefits such as lower infrastructure costs. Toolkit Cloud enables shippers to reduce the need to purchase and maintain on-site hardware for a shipping solution. Faster deployment. Toolkit Cloud requires no local installation and minimal configuration, getting shipping operations up and running much faster. Disaster recovery. Because Toolkit Cloud is maintained by ConnectShip, we handle the redundancy, backup, and recovery functions for you. This gives you valuable assistance for risk management planning. Bandwidth flexibility. There is no need to worry about adding or reconfiguring hardware to support peak shipping volumes. Our data center can handle it all. Cloud alignment. If your primary business systems are already hosted in the cloud, don't worry about how to integrate shipping to a local on-premise shipping application. Instead, go a step further and put shipping in the cloud too. Flexible pricing models. Toolkit Cloud is available on a pay-as-you-go model. You pay only for what you need. Faster, scalable, cloud managed. That is shipping with Toolkit Cloud.